In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons to your Squarespace website. It's a fantastic way to personalize and enhance the visual appeal of your site, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Whether you're aiming to update your favicon or just add a touch of branding to your pages, you're in the right place. First things first, let's dive into the Squarespace platform. Navigate to the Squarespace website in your browser. Once you're there, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. Squarespace offers a few different ways to log in, but for simplicity and quick access, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. So click on Continue with Google and choose the Google account you want to use for Squarespace. This should be the account associated with your Squarespace website. Once you're logged in, it's time to access your website. You can do this by going directly to your site's dashboard on Squarespace. Look for your site's name and click on it. This will bring you into the back end of your website where all the magic happens. Now let's head over to the settings where you can manage various aspects of your site. In the settings menu, you're looking for a specific option, favicon. Favicons are those little icons that appear in the tab of your browser. They're a great way to brand your site right down to the browser tab. Click on favicon to access the favicon settings. Squarespace will prompt you to add a favicon if you haven't already done so. This is where you click on Add a favicon. A window will pop up inviting you to upload your chosen file. Remember, your favicon should ideally be a small square image as it will need to fit neatly in a browser tab. Click on Upload File to navigate to your files and select the image you wish to use as your favicon. Once you've found it, click on it, then confirm the upload. With your favicon now uploaded, there's just one step left. To finalize the process, you'll need to save your changes. Look for the Save option and click on it. By doing so, you're updating your Squarespace site with your new favicon, making it visible to anyone who visits your site. And that's it. You've successfully added an icon to your Squarespace site. This small touch can make a big difference in how polished and professional your website looks. Remember, customizing your website is all about making it truly yours. Adding a favicon is just one of the many ways you can personalize your Squarespace site. Experiment, explore the settings, and don't be afraid to try out different icons to see what works best for your brand. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most of your Squarespace website. Happy customizing!